Welcome back. This laptop has nothing on it, and I mean nothing. No Python, no Node, not even Git. In the next 10 minutes, this empty machine is going to be running a full autonomous AI agent, and at minute 10, it's going to do its first real job. In the last class, we toured all 9 ways to run Hermes. Check our YouTube channel and our limited-time free school community for all of the files and support. Today, we stop touring and start doing. Mac or Windows, both paths are in this video. And I'll show you every error you're likely to hit before you hit it. Timer starts now. 2 paths. Both end at the exact same agent. Same brain, same tools, same config, same everything. The only difference is the front seat. Path A. The desktop app, a normal installer, a real GUI window, click-through simple. If the terminal makes you nervous, this is your door. Path B, the one-liner, a single command, 60 seconds faster. Heads up Windows people, no admin rights, no WSL, no registry touches. The whole thing lands in one folder. We're going through door A first, then the Windows one-liner which works identically on Linux. Go to the official site, hermesagent.newsresearch.com. Hit download. You'll get a DMG on Mac and EXE on Windows. Open it. One button. Install Hermes. Click it. It will install Python 3.11 and UV, a blazing fast Python package manager. It also installs Node.js 26 for browser automation. It's bundling ripgrep for code-based search and ffmpeg for voice and audio. It's building an isolated virtual environment. Nothing touches the rest of your machine, and cloning the entire agent. And if anything flakes mid-download, it degrades gracefully, retries, and falls back to a smaller known good set instead of dying. You did not pre-install anything. You didn't need to. On a truly fresh Mac, at some point, this dialog pops up. Apple's command line tools. Click Install. It's a one-time thing, it's not an error, and everything else continues on its own. Done. That's the whole install. Launch it. Pro tip, already did the terminal install and want this GUI? Type Hermes Desktop. It builds and opens the same app on top of your existing setup. Same agent, same sessions, same keys. One core, any front seat. Door B for the terminal people. Mac or Linux, one line. Same deal. It detects what's missing and installs it. Windows PowerShell. Regular user. No admin, no WSL, one line. Everything lands under one folder, and Hermes is added to your user's path only. Emp Fresh Terminal. Type Hermes. Command not found. Looks broken. It isn't. Your shell just hasn't read its new instructions. Reload your terminal. source ~.zshrc. Or on Windows, open a new terminal. The agent's on the machine. First boot runs the setup wizard. Coming from OpenClaw, it offers to migrate your existing setup. Dry run first. Nothing moves until you say go. Full setup. I choose the I'm bringing my own keys path. Pick provider, paste key, pick model. I choose ZI's GLM coding plan for all of my AI agents. You guys can find a great deal on GLM coding plans when you join our free school community. Link in the description. Last screen. Platforms. Today, skip it. Telegram setup deserves its own 5 minutes. Bot token, user ID, security, that's class 7. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and join my free school community so that you can get the course along with its supporting material inside the school community. 4 commands to memorize, your dashboard, and your first aid kit. Status, one glance health. Update, latest release, migrations, skills. Dash version, the version stamp. Doctor, the recovery tool. Anytime something feels wrong, doctor first, panic second. If you open a fresh terminal and type Hermes, you might see command not found. Don't worry, it's not broken. Your shell just hasn't picked up the new configuration yet. Run source/zshrc to reload it. Or on Windows, simply open a new terminal window. Once it's running, don't just say, hello. That won't show you anything interesting. Give it a real multi-step task instead. Watch it read your directory structure, run commands, and make actual changes. This isn't a chatbot parroting responses. It's an agent deliberately interacting with your real file system. Your homework: install it. Right now. Pause this video, run it, come back. Next class, we make it completely free. Local models, your own hardware, zero API cost. Same agent, no credit card. Screenshot that error section, future you will thank you. One last thing. Everything for this video lives in my Skool community. The full OpenClaw course, the Hermes course, all the supporting material, plus some genuinely good deals on the Z.AI coding plan and a VPN if you need them. It's normally $100 a month, but I've opened it up to everyone for free for a limited time. And the first 200 people who join become founding members. So when I flip the community over to paid later on, you're locked in at an extreme discount. It costs you nothing today, so if you're even a little interested, just get in now. Links in the description. And if this video just took you from a blank machine to everything running in 10 minutes, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It genuinely helps. All right, see you in the next one.